Hello, welcome to Afro News South Africa. Please kindly subscribe and share. Turn the notification on so you would be notified each time we upload a new video. Not positive if you possibly can say that nowadays is the day which Advocate Teffo Malasela changed into watching for now no longer. He's going to realize approximately his destiny on the felony route. This is following him being pronounced to the Legal Practice Council for misconduct and different such a lot of instances that are greater than 20. The Legal Practice Council pronounced on August that it has acquired 22 proceedings concerning Malasela Teffo's behavior among 2019 and 2021. Now, papers were filed with inside the Pretoria High Court inquiring for the advocate's suspension. Advocate Teffo Malasela has performed a lot for himself, developing from being a police guy to get a qualification of being advocate. His tale can inspire many younger human beings to now no longer surrender in life. Unfortunately, his conduct and misconduct may cost a little him all that. The High Court in Pretoria will nowadays rule on whether or not Advocate Malasela Teffo ought to be struck from the role of advocates. Teffo, who changed into representing accused primary to 4 with inside the Senzo Mewa trial, withdrew from the case in July. Teffo isn't in shape and right individual to be an attorney advocate. He lies blatantly, and he's impolite to the detriment of his customers and expert integrity of attorneys. Again, Kelly, Zandi, and Chico are rejoicing over Teffo's demise, Mzansi says. Since Malasela Teffo's call has been eliminated from the roster of advocates, she is now no longer capable of exercise law. Chico Rwala, Zandi, and Kelly Kumlo are rejoicing over the autumn of advocate of Teffo. They are shielded through the authorities as they harm his profession for good. Teffo changed into the only who grew to become up the heat, and now he has been kicked out of the felony profession. What a vile component to do. This is simply one instance of the irate responses we have got acquired from South Africans who are satisfied there is strong proof in opposition to Kelly, Zandi, and Chico. Advocate Malasela Teffo's feedback comply with her elimination from the roles of attorneys. The deciders ordered Teffo at hand up all of his authentic paperwork. His expert financial institution bills have additionally been grew to become over to a curator. Attorney Teffo withdrew from the Senzo Mewa homicide trial in July, after representing 4 of the 5 defendants. The Legal Practice Council filed a petition in courtroom docket, asking that Teffo be suspended or eliminated from the list. There have been a number of proceedings filed in opposition to Teffo with the council, a number of which earlier than the Senzo Mewa trial. The case changed into delivered earlier than it decided, however he later withdrew, claiming presidential effect and accusing Judge Teffo Malasela of witchcraft. Throughout the trial, though, Teffo has been seeking out a manner to reinforce his profile and entice greater media attention. He changed into glaringly now no longer a legal professional, and dealt with the judicial gadget with contempt. Teffo now no longer handiest shouted profanity in courtroom docket, however additionally claimed that Judge Teffo Malasela had hired witchcraft and tried to undermine the defense. In my opinion, the courtroom docket's ruling changed into excessively severe. This is terrible. I get that Teffo acted badly, however he should not were destroyed. In my opinion, years in prison were sufficient. How do you experience approximately